In this video, we will learn how to assign an alerts profile to your sites. This capability allows you to assign an alerts profile to multiple sites of the same type or with similar characteristics, such as residential, commercial, or based on geographical location. To start, click your username and select My Account. Select Alerts and click Assign Sites to Profiles. A list of all sites in your account, including their information, such as location, peak power, and installation date, will be presented. You can assign a single site to an alerts profile, or select multiple sites and assign them to one of your profiles. Use filtering options to get a list of sites with similar characteristics which are relevant for a specific profile. For example, view commercial sites by applying a minimal kilowatt peak value. Select all sites on your current view and assign the relevant profile to them. Clear up all applied filters to view all sites list by clicking the Clear Filters button. You're all set. The alerts for each site will be triggered based on the chosen profile configuration.